Hello and welcome back. As you can see, I'm getting some parts together for my Supercharged 50 project. At this point, I think I'm going to name it the Dry Sump 50. So any other videos from this point on pertaining this engine and this project will be labeled Dry Sump 50. At any rate, I got this head made up a couple days ago, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I originally cast this piece to be one side of the crankcase, but it ended up too short. However, it is enough material for the cylinder head, so I used it for that. I start by facing the one side, roughing out the combustion chamber. I'll likely play with that later when I get a little bit more figured out. Then I flip it, face the other side, and rough drill the hole for the spark plug. I don't have a tap for this, so when I find one, or the one I ordered comes in, I'll tap the hole for the spark plug. Okay, over to the mill now. Starting at the center of the piece, it clears the room for the spark plug, then moves on to the cooling fins and then clearance for the head bolts. I need to finish the mill's coolant setup. The one problem is it's a little too cold out here, so until it warms up, you'll see me clear the chips with a brush from time to time.
fight, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it.
With the top finished, I flip it over so I can use the same end mill to reach the bolt holes.
I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy.
Well, there you have it. That's how I made this, and more or less how I'm going to make the rest of the parts for this project. Gonna have to do some casting and a lot of other mold making and different things to kind of get this figured out, but I'll get there one way or the other. At any rate, hope you liked it.